Hey, how you doing, investors and hustlers? Welcome to another episode of Real Deal Hustle. Currently, I'm investing $6,269. Today, I'm up $26.34. That has everything to do with DOGE. I am part of that movement, so I'm hoping that it just keep going and keep going and keep going. But if it doesn't, I have a very small investment. I'm just trying to, be part of the movement. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Make sure to do your own due diligence with the stocks that we're going to discuss today. And first, we're going to discuss AYN, Synthetic Biologics. This stock is an amazing stock, everybody. And if you're not like getting into any of these type of stocks, you need to. This stock right here is performing well, people. And I kind of rolled this stock up before and I had a nice gain on it. And I decided to buy back in. I believe I bought back in at like 83 cents, something like that. So I followed the ride up the other day and it was on Friday. It went all the way up to 95, 96 cents, I believe. And then it settled at 91 cents. And that's currently where I stand today. And I'm going to continue my position and continue riding this up. If you want to get in this play, you can look to see if it has a dip sometime in pre-market. If it doesn't dip in pre-market, wait until 30 minutes after the bell before you get in, see if it dip anymore. So here's my position. I have 600 shares, market valued at 546. Like I said, my average cost is 83 cents, total return 57 for the day, and then my actual total return is $45.42. So I'm up. I'm gonna ride this probably up until $2.50 or $3, and then I'm gonna take my money and bounce. I'm already prepared to place a trailing stop limit on it or a stop limit order on it when it hits around $1.50. So that way I don't lose any of my gains just in case if some negative news come out about this stock. Always make sure to protect your profit in your initial investment when you're investing in a penny stock. So let's go a little bit about the company. Synthetic Biologics and Company is a clinical stage company which engaged in the development of therapeutics to preserve the microbiome to protect and restore the health of patients. Its products portfolio includes SYN010 and SYN-004. So, like I was saying, this stock is gaining a lot of attention. There's a lot of YouTubers starting to talk about this stock. Let's see what Stock Invest has to say about this stock. So currently Stock Invest has this as a strong buy. Now look, with this stock being 0.88 cent, your gains can be amazing. So they have it as a strong buy with a 5.36. It was big movements in Synthetic Biologics and Company stock price on Friday, moving 20.72% between high and low. That's good, people, right? You want to see your stock moving, but you want to see your stock also going down a little bit, also dropping sometimes, because that's very good for a stock to do that. But I feel like a run is coming, and I mean a really big run for this stock. So the stock is expected to rise 108.49% up to $2.57 at the end of this 3-month period. So like I said, when this gets to $1.50, put your stop limit on it for sure. Now, if you believe in this company, you can ride it all the way out. But this is a fast hustle for me. I'm just going to get in, get as much as I can, get out, watch it, and then I'll get back in. And that's one thing that I like to do. I like to make as much money as possible on these stocks. I'm not a long-term investor, okay? I'm more of a short-term type of guy. I'm more for short gains. Now, the signals are strong for this stock. So this stock is up to being a buy. We already know that. So make sure that you buy in. Now, the stop limit order, they feel like it's at 88 cents and 91 cents. That's where the resistance is at. And that's great, right? We want to know that it's holding like right around the amount that you will invest right now. So you probably won't lose too much. And the current score to invest right now is 5.39. So this is definitely a buy. So if you're interested in getting in this stock Monday morning, make sure to watch for a dip. The other stock I want to discuss is SENS, Sensonics. I talked about this stock a couple of days ago. I believe it was down to like $2.74 in the previous video. I told you guys this stock was about to run, and it did. I believe it went all the way up to like $3.30, and then it dropped all the way down to $3.02 where it stands right now. Okay, it got up to 3.20, so that was a little off, but it went down to 3.010, and that's where it's at now, 3.10. Now, look, I was not able to get in this stock. I can't lie. I kept trying to get around to it, so I missed that run myself. So I will be watching this stock Monday morning for a dip. As soon as it dip, I'm jumping in. If it don't dip, I'm getting in. I'm just going to put my stop limit order and I'm going to ride it up if it has a time to ride. If it don't, then I'll just sell right out, watch the dip, buy back in, and then I'll just make the run from there. But definitely get in this stock. I believe this stock has a lot of potential, and we're going to see what Stock Invest says about this stock. But if you're looking for a good stock to put your money in, make a quick gain, and be on the way, you can. But if you're also looking for this to be a long-term play, you can actually put your money in this play and stick with this play for the long haul, because Sensonics is a great stock. The company has a lot of stuff in the pipeline. Okay, so once again, here's the stats of the stock. It opened at $2.79. It had a high of 3.27 and a low of 2.77. A 52-week high is $3.90. If it knocks past that, people, I believe it's going to run to about $4.50. The 52-week low is 34 cents. You'll never see that again. 94 million was the volume. The average volume is 53 million, and then the market cap is 1.05 billion. So this has a very large market cap, a whole lot of room to run, and I believe that the gains on this is going to be great. So here's a little bit about the company. Sensonic Holdings and Company engages in a design, development, and commercialization of implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. His primary product is the brand Eversense, a glucose monitoring device, which includes sensors and smart transmitter and mobile application, right? So this stock has a good thing going for it, and I'm telling you guys, get in. Now, it's rated a very, very strong buy with a score of 7.53. Wow. Come on, guys. Ching, 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 ching. Hey, we need to get in this play. 7.53 is huge. I believe that's like the strongest buy so far of any stock that I've covered. I mean, we need to get in this Monday morning. We need to be a part of this run. We need to hustle up on this. So this will be the hustle up play of Monday morning. Hop in there. Expect higher vitality and Sensonics holding the company stock price on Friday, which ended at 303. So we already discussed that. We're fine with that. On the last trading day, it raised from 267 to 303. And once again, over 70 million shares were traded. That's a lot of shares. So we wasn't in the mix, and I don't know if you hold a position in this. If you do, you're lucky. If you're able to hold a position in this and you was able to, go up on that little ride from 270 something to 310, if you watch my video, and if you actually sold out of it at 329, good for you. They're expecting for this stock to jump 329.8% to 849 or $14.64 a share in the next 3-month period. Wow, that's a big gain. So if you jump in this stock and if you actually want to hold for the long term and just ride it up all the way from where it's at now all the way up to $14, that's a big gain for you. But if you want to just, continue to purchase, ride it up, when it dips, sell out, buy the dip, ride it up. You can rinse and repeat this play too, all the way up to $14. That's kind of what I expect to do with this play. I'm going to rinse and repeat this play and make as much money as possible in a short term, okay? And then I'll reconsider when it finally get up to $14 what I want to do with it. So the volume of it at 285 and 267 is pretty cool. The stop risk hold, like I said, is at 303, and the current score to buy is 7.57. So once again, that's a high score. So this is a play that we all want to get in. We want to hustle Sensonics, okay? So if you need to look for this stock, get in this stock, get in here as soon as possible. The ticker symbol is SENS, currently sitting at 310. Pre-market, let the bell ring. Wait about 13 minutes. Watch the stock like a hawk. And if it starts to drop, okay, then hop in, because that's what I'm going to do. Now, with these penny stocks, make sure to check your day trades if you're using Robinhood. You only have 3-day trades. You don't want to use them all, okay? All right, everybody, thanks for watching. If you like anything, if you like this video, if you made money with me so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button, okay? Hustle up. And to all of you investors out there, make sure to get that bag. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.